Hey guys, um, just want to show you my partial dentures. This is part 2, and as you can see, they fit very, very well, and they're not falling, and I can speak. I'm still learning. I mean, there's still some sounds that don't sound very perfect. So, in my last video, which got a lot of views, I was really surprised because I just didn't think it would, but I think a lot of people have this problem and they're embarrassed to talk about it. So, I mean, I have a couple in the back on both sides. So for a couple of years, I just, kind of dealt with it. See, on this side, it's 3 on the upper, which you can't even tell. On this side, it's just 1. I mean, my smile didn't look good, and you could tell. There was a tooth missing on this side and this side. And now I can smile really good. And I think that it's important because you're literally keeping yourself from being happy if you don't smile, So, I didn't want to do this at the dentist. I really felt anxious to go to the dentist and have this done. And so I did this myself because I felt like I could do it better myself if I just researched and followed instructions and purchased all the correct equipment. So by trial and error, I figured it out, and I'm very happy with this. There's a lot of tutorials on making full dentures, but there isn't a lot of things on making partial dentures, so I really had to figure this out on my own. Anyway, in my last video, I said what I needed to do was file this and put in a soft reline, which kind of is what makes it suction to the top of your mouth and fit perfectly like a glove. So this is my second day that I've had it after that, and I did go out to dinner and ate, and I had to eat very slowly, but I was able to do it, and I'm just taking this one day at a time. So I really love that I can smile though. Yeah. And doesn't everybody want to be able to smile? So anyway, I am only putting these in a couple hours a day until I really see how it feels and how it fits. And I didn't do any adhesives yet, so I'm gonna see about that. I don't really know if I want to get into that, but I may have to do that. So I am going to make a tutorial step by step on everything I did to make these dentures. And I'm not trying to drag this on like people do. I just didn't get a chance to make it yet. I'm going to make another set of partial dentures, and I'm going to video step by step and post that video. So with links of everything I purchased, because that was definitely trial and error too. A couple times I purchased the wrong things. And if after you purchase everything you need, it really isn't that expensive. Maybe, I don't know, $100, something like that. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe. And please comment. Let me know if you would be interested in the DIY tutorial. And just let me know what your experience is with your teeth. I mean, I really think that it's something no one talks about. I don't know why. I don't think you should be embarrassed. I mean, I didn't do anything wrong, and I'm not in my 80s, but I need this. So it doesn't matter how old you are. If you need this, it's okay. Don't be embarrassed. Okay, like my video, please. Subscribe, comment. Bye. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I was going to take it out and show you, and I forgot. So, I did the soft reline, which is on this side. You see that little space there? I think I'm going to fix that. I don't know why it didn't fill in there. But it fills in every nook and cranny, so it's exactly fitting to the roof of your mouth. Or the bottom, whatever one you have. The upper is what I have. And my teeth they're perfect. They're the perfect size, and they're in the perfect place. So it's very hard to get it like that. And when you do it at the dentist, I think it's even harder for them because they're not you, and they don't have your mouth to every once in a while try to fit it in there. Honestly, don't know how they do it. I think most people that get these from the dentist, don't like it. And if that's you and you have partial denture, please comment what your experience is, because it's only my theory, but I really feel like the dentist can't possibly do this the way you can do it, because you have to keep going back and forth for visits every time they make an adjustment. And I really don't think people get this exactly the way it should be, the way they would if they did this themselves. And it's very easy. It's really easy. It's not crazy complicated. You don't need a million different expensive machines. You really can get this done on your own. And you can do it in a couple days after you get all your equipment and your supplies. All right, so let me know if you'd be interested in doing this. Let me know if you've had bad experience with the dental or good. Let me know what your experiences are, because I really am interested in knowing. And I'm not going to put this back in, but this is what I look like without my teeth, which is really not that bad, honestly. And I can talk better because I'm not used to this yet. So hopefully I'll get used to it and I'll be able to talk better. But so I have missing gums back there and one on this side. All right, that's it for this video. Bye.